Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have this box here. I just slit the tape. This is Glam Bag, Boxycharm, Icon Box, and the Refreshment Box, all from Ipsy. And this is Boxycharm by Ipsy for September 2023. Here's the little paper we have. And we have a little pamphlet from Boxycharm, Find Your Groove. And you can scan with your phone here and it'll tell about your products. I don't really need to do that per se because I do screenshot my my pics. I was like, what am I trying to say? Like, okay, so now Boxycharm by Ipsy is $28 a month, monthly box. We get 5 full-size beauty products. We customize 3. There is Beauty Boost, $15, and there's tax and stuff on that. And then you get an extra product value of up to $70. Some months it's not 70, it's 50, it's $49.99. It just really depends on the product. And there's a good variety. I think there were like 6 or maybe 6 or 8 products to pick from, somewhere in that range. It was pretty decent picks for September. We pay $1.99 shipping and handling, and in Pennsylvania I do pay sales tax. So that is all the deets. And like I said, Find Your Groove. Don't know if this gives any just gives, you know, some information. The last mega drop shop of 2023 is going to be Monday, October 9th, up to 80% off. It's in the little pamphlet right here. So that's interesting. I'm just going to put that to the side. I do have my phone today. So many times I just do not have it anywhere near. And then how am I supposed to, like, tell you anything? Okay, I don't want that open just yet. Today I figured I'd share what lip product I was wearing, and this is from Paranova. And this is Asteroid, and I use this quite frequently. It's on my lips today. It's just, technically, it's a lip stylo, so you could use it as a liner. I use it as an all-over lip. It is more on the matte side, and if I want to, once it sets, which pretty much it is, I can just throw a gloss on top. Sometimes I don't want that, and sometimes I do. These, I think, were $4 on the Mega Drop shop in Ipsy. So worth it. And they last a while. I've had Asteroid for quite a long time. So, why did I close that? Oh, my goodness. Use your brain. Okay, so now, here's a little sneak peek into my box. Right here. I do miss not getting cards and stuff like that, but it is what it is. Let me, okay, this, I think, I don't know about that. So the first product, and this is something that I chose. I don't think I've tried this. So I figured, why not? This is from Kate Somerville, Skin Health Expert, Anti-Aging, Peptide K8 Power Cream. This was expensive, and her stuff is expensive. Let's see if I can just pop this open. Very expensive, and I have not tried this. I mean, we've all done Exfoliate and some of the other products, but I have not tried this at all. So beautiful packaging. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, awesome. It's one of the pop, you know, you just push it down and you get, it's on the top, keeps it sanitary. I don't smell any scent. I don't know if Kate Somerville is scented or not. Let me, I do have a price for that. That was expensive. Oh God, am I seeing right? $158. Like, her stuff is pricey. So this is $158 right here. I didn't pick it for that. I wanted to try another Kate Somerville product, but $158. See, like, I could never replace that. So I will use that sparingly. That's a lot of money. Another item that I, excuse me, that I chose is from Dermal Actives, and this is an energizing body lotion. This is 200 ml. 6.76 fluid ounces. That looks really nice. Like sleek packaging, not like, you know, packaging you see all the time. There is a seal. I will leave it sealed. It says lavish your skin with nourishing moisture and liven your senses with an uplifting scent. I hope it's not like overpowering. Let me see. Contains humectants, proteins, and conditioners that attract and bind moisture to the skin while protecting it with antioxidants. From looking at the ingredients, I can't tell what the scent would be. Okay, so that's this right here, and that is $35. Let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. This one I'm excited for. I haven't had anything from them in a long time. This is from Too Faced, and this is Hardcore Lipstick, and I have Too Femme. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. Too Femme. Cute Oreo is playing with her toy in the background. Oh, look at this packaging. Like Too Faced logo, shaped like a heart, pink, gold. This is, or it is, $26. Oh, look how pretty. So this, it says lipstick. I don't want to try this just yet. I will take my lipstick off and try and put this on. Oh, that is so pretty. Like, I almost don't want to ruin it, but of course I will because I want to try it. How does this go back? Oh, okay, it's a little indicator. Such adorable packaging. Too Faced always has adorable packaging. Now, the two items that they chose for me were, my phone is like glaring. The first one, which I'm not unhappy about, from Glow Recipe. This is Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Guava is a wonderful smell. Like, it's not overpowering. I love their packaging. I don't think I have this. Like, I love their packaging. This should be a pump. Most of their stuff is a pump. Glass. Very nice. What does it say on the bottom? Oh, it just gives you the size on the bottom, which I can't really read. And this was $38. Nice. The other item that they chose for me is Glowish, and this is by Huda Beauty. And this is Blur Jam. Is that what it says? Silicone-free smoothing primer. Oh, a primer. I didn't realize it was a primer. Okay, excited for that. Oh, look how cute. Wait, I'll show it to you as soon as I can get it out of the package. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little scoop, little baby scoop. Let's get you back in the box. Let me tell you what the price of this is before I show it to you. Glowish is $33. So here it is right here. I think that says Blur, yeah, Blur Jam. And this is a primer. It says primer. Keep sealed for freshness. So it does have one of them, like, pop seals. Oh, it's like a gel. Well, there's a little bit on the lid, so I just want to, so I have some on my finger. Just want to see what it feels like on. Oh, it actually is like a gel. It's like a gel that turns to like water, like a, wow. Is that going to be a nice primer or what? No scent. I like what that, I mean, it's so hard. You guys can't see the difference in my hand. But what, and that is in and silky smooth, not silicone-y or anything like that. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. At first I was like, I don't know if I want to, you know, really want something like that. But I'm glad they gave this scoop so you can use the little scoop to get that out rather than put your fingers in it. So that's $33. Wow. I think everything here is outstanding, if you're asking me. My Boost product, I did have that here. is from Juice Beauty. Let me just try to prop that. Is that going to fall? No. Is from Juice Beauty. I have so many of their products and love them. And this is a $70 value. And this is Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I think I've had a serum. I don't know if I have. I don't think I had this before. I know I have serums. Can't get this open. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, there we go. I know I have the serums because it's a long tube. So this is what this looks like. And this is probably one of them, like, push down tops too. Let me just see. Oh, I don't know if I can turn around and without being rude to you guys. I don't know where it is. No, it's not in that drawer. I can. It's not going to be in that drawer because that's all my wipes. Not in that drawer. I'm going to try to see if I can find it, and then I can show it to you. It's not going to be in here either. That is. Oh my goodness, these drawers are so heavy. Is it in here? Yep. I have two of them. Yeah, see, this is a serum, the overnight serum. I have used that. That's very nice. I know I had, oh, I can't get it closed. That was tough to close. Oh, there we go. Okay. She's playing with both her toys, so if she's going to make some noise. So this is now the Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. So that is exciting. I think this is an awesome, awesome box. Probably the best one that I have ever helped build and that they chose for me. I might take this off. I'll have to get a wipe. I don't have anything out here. And then I'll try this on and I'll pop back. And I think I got this with points. I have no idea. I did not save a screenshot, I don't think. I think I used some points to try the Elemis toner. It's a rehydrating ginseng toner. Like, this is not part of my box, but I did. That smells so nice. Like, I love toners because I use them every day. And I love my Murad toner. I have so many toners that I really do like. But I love Elemis, so I wanted to try this. And this is like a decent sample, considering coming from Ipsy. And for points, like, I expected this little tiny, thing. But that's a decent size. So I'm not unhappy with that. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go take this lip off, which I absolutely love. But I've had this on for a little bit. And I want to try this on and see what I think. But let me tell you, the hand that has that primer from Huda Beauty, wow. Like, this hand does not have it, and it's a little dry. It's still not overly rough. Still pretty smooth, but this one feels like a baby's bum. Can't wait to try that, but I'll be right back with you. Too Faced lipstick, and this is in 2 Femme. Once again, beautiful packaging, like a little heart. I'll show it to you real fast with the little heart. And I have it on, and it is pink. So if you don't like pink, you're not going to like this, but I love it. And I'm always difficult with Too Faced for an actual lipstick. The colors just seem like they're just slightly off for me, but this is perfect. I love this. A hardcore lipstick. So it's not a lip balm, it's a lipstick. So I'm very happy with this. I'll leave this on. I have 2 other videos to film so that I can get ahead next week. I have a lot to do. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you're getting your Boxycharm by Ipsy for September. Like I said, when I got PR, this is going to be a great box. And like I said, this is probably my best Boxy by Ipsy so far. And they've been, what, since April? Which is, not that many months. But so far, this is probably my top box. Have a wonderful day. And I'll catch you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.